Hi, my name is PJ Metz, Education Evangelist at GitLab, and I'm here today to talk to you about our Intro to DevOps lecture. Starting soon, you'll be able to have members of the education team from GitLab come into your classroom virtually and present a lecture about DevOps to your students. Now, this can be for a single course, a single section, or you can set up a time where your students can all log in at the same time and be a part of this lecture. We're doing this because we know that DevOps is the future. It's the way software is being built, and it's the way software is going to continue being built for a long time. It's important that students have an opportunity to gain skills that will be immediately helpful in the workplace. And we think knowing about DevOps, knowing how it works, and knowing what some of the tools are is a very important part of a student's education. We'd come in virtually and have a small presentation on DevOps that we can show you some of right now. Our main premise is that software is everywhere. We'll talk about examples of companies that you wouldn't think of as a tech company positioning themselves as a tech company. We plan on discussing the waterfall method of making software, as well as agile, and why DevOps is the natural progression of how to build software today. We want to put it in terms that students can understand, so we're going to use real-life examples so they can see these concepts playing out in the real world around them. We'll talk about how DevOps has evolved over time. We'll also talk about different stages of DevOps and what those stages contain as far as work you might see in them. We're excited to offer this opportunity to campuses all over the world, and we'd love to hear from you. If you'd like to learn more about the GitLab for Education program, head to about.gitlab.com/solutions/education, and that'll be our landing page with more information about our program, current members, and what you can do with GitLab. And while you're on our landing page, if you'd like to sign up for the lecture, go ahead and click this trophy icon right here, and it'll take you to a Google form where we'll get all the information we need from you in order to set up an opportunity to talk to your students about DevOps. Thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.